ugly angle. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's lit. We're on our way to Target to get some things because we're going to Mandalay Bay, like simulated beach. So we need some like swimming trunks and some slides, you know, beachy things. Agwan. We fucking packed. Well, we packed one bag each. So, I mean, I'm out of breath. We packed one bag each, so you know we didn't have all the little things that we need. But you know, here we are, and we'll show you all the beach when we get there. Yes! Ah, happy NYE, bitch! We're getting drunk! We're getting drunk! We're getting drunk. It's New Year's Eve, and we're getting drunk. The sun is this way. No wonder I look so weird. It is fucking cold. We just got in a heated pool, right? When you get out, it's freezing. And I am incredibly drunk, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it's really cold. We were in the pool for a good like 30 minutes. Heated pool at Mandalay Bay, and that's where we're at. It's cold, but the pool is heated. We have a little cabana. So cute. Sorry, y'all, I'm drunk. But here's the little cabana. Y'all, I'm having a great time. We're drunk. It's awesome. It's lit. We're literally about to go back to our room, shower, and everything before we have to check out. We're gonna fucking party all night, and I'm so excited to bring 2022 this way. It's everything that I wanted it to be, and I'm so happy. So let's get into the evening. Okay, we're entering the evening. It's only about 1:30 here, but I'm saying evening, I guess, because we're checking out at 3, and so we're basically about to enter the second half of our day. So let's see where it takes us. I should have brought some socks. Oh, I'm still recording? What the fuck? Chaos is my specialty. We're on the party train for a second, but the music just stopped. We're at MGM. I am so happy. Big, y'all. I'm a bet big. Give me some Ashe. Did I win? So, y'all, I just won big on this machine, so I tried again. I don't think I won anything.